Yo, dude, that was the funniest story you ever told. Oh my gosh.
I know, right? I can't believe that happened.
Oh, hey guys, what's up?
Oh, hey man, nothing much.
Oh, wait, tell him the story. It's so funny, I promise.
All right.
So, I'm walking to school, right? The first thing that I see when I walk in, Greg slips and falls on a banana peel. Then what happened?
Yeah. And as he fell, all of his books went flying up into the air.
What the f is wrong with him? You got a problem? Why do you laugh like that?
What, I can't laugh now? His story's funny. What do you want from me?
I mean, yeah, but you don't hear yourself? You sound like a seal.
I have a perfectly normal laugh, Simon. I don't know what you're talking about.
So you don't hear the seal noises you're making. You don't hear the coming out of your mouth? Well, I heard the local aquarium needs a seal exhibit.
Yo, dude, I need you to chill out, okay?
But how do you not hear yourself?
Simon, you're overreacting. There's nothing wrong with how I laugh.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, gentlemen, but I'm with the local aquarium down the street. One of our seals escaped his exhibit, and I think I might have heard him in this school.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Tell another funny story. You remember the time Doug fell into the toilet?